Hello viewers, so welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham. Last video, 3 problems I have completed on cash management, preparing the cash budgets. This is the last and final video in which 2 more problems I'm going to explain on how to make the cash budget. In examination, very frequently they will ask the problems on making this cash budget. It's very simple. By doing practice of 2-3 problems, definitely you will get the complete command. And again, I'm repeating, the problems are based on theory. So if you have not watched the theory video, first I suggest you go to the playlist of my channel, select the subject Financial Management for BBA. Select the video for cash management. Be perfect, then you can understand the problem easily. Now before starting the 4th problem, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. Take the screenshot of the points, then I'll explain. Come on, see the problem number 4. From the following information, prepare cash budget for 3 months beginning from 1st June. So June, July, August. 3 months we have to make the budget. When the bank balance was 1 lakh, that means on 1st June, opening cash balance is 1 lakh. Now April, May, June, July, August, 5 months data is given. But we need the budget only for 3 months, June, July, August. The extra April and May is also given for our calculations. Then sales, purchase, wages, factory expense, administrative expense. Sales will come under receipts and purchases, wages, factory expense, administration expense, these will come under payments. Now 2 months credit period is allowed to customers and received from suppliers. That means we are allowing 2 months to our customers. Whatever we make the sale in January, the customer will make the payment in March. January ke baad February, then March. So 2 months we are allowing the period to our customers, right? Similarly, we are getting 2 months credit period from the supplier. We purchase goods from supplier and supplier is giving us 2 months credit period. That is the point. Wages, factory expense and administration expense are paid in the following month. That means delay 1 month. Whatever wages are there for April, that will be paid in May. The wages of May will be paid in June, like that. Even expenses also same thing. Next month the amount will be paid. That's it. Now see the answer. Cash budget for 3 months ending 31st August. So June, July, August. Opening cash balance 1 lakh. This is given in the problem itself. 1st June opening balance. First of all, we will make the receipts and payments. In this problem, we don't have cash sales. All the sales are on credit. Cash sales information is not given. All the sales are sold on credit. But amount is received 2 months. After 2 months. So we'll take only collection from debtors, only one receipt. Take the total receipt A. Payments. Payments for purchases. That means to creditors. 2 months period is allowed by supplier. Then secondly, wages, factory expense, administration expenses. Take the total payment B. Then closing cash balance is A minus B, receipts minus payment. Now we'll take one by one. First we'll see collection from customers, debtors for sales. How much are the sales for April? 80,000. This we will receive in June. April के बाद May, May के बाद June. तो April में जो सेल करे उसका अमाउंट कलेक्ट होगा जून में. So April 80,000 will be collected in June. So here I have taken 80,000. Then May 76,500 will be collected in July 76,500. Then June 78,500 will be collected in August 78,500. That's all. Now payment for purchases. Same way, purchases payment will be made 2 months. So how much are the purchases for April? 41,000. This will be paid in June. April में खरीदे तो May में नहीं पे करेंगे, June में पे करेंगे. तो April 41,000 will be paid in June. Then May 40,500 will be paid in July. Then June 38,500 will be paid in August 38,500. That's all. wages. For wages and factory expenses are paid in the following month, next month. So how much are the wages? 5,600 will be paid in May. May's for 5,400 will be paid in June. So 5,400 in June. Then June 5,400 will be paid in July. 5,400. Then July 4,800 will be paid in August. August. Finished. Same procedure for factory expenses. April का amount May में pay करेंगे. May 4,200 will be paid in June. 4,200. Then 5,100 of June will be paid in July. And July 5,100 will be paid in August. That's all. Administrative expense same. 10,000 April will be paid in May. May 14,000 will be paid in June. Then 15,000, 17,000. That's all. Over. Problem finished. Now simply you have to take the total. 1 lakh plus 80,000. 1 lakh 80,000 total receipts. Take all the payments 64,600. Receipts minus payment closing balance. 1 lakh 80,000 minus 64,600. 1 lakh 15,400. This is the closing cash balance for the month of June. It will become opening cash balance for the month of July. So this closing balance will become opening balance for July. Now add up both these, you'll get 1,91,900 total receipts. Take the total of payments 66,000. So 1,91,900 minus 66,000, 125,900 is the closing cash balance of July. This will become opening cash balance of August. Take the total receipts 2,04,400. Take the total of payments 65,400. So 2,04,400 minus 65,400, 1,39,000 is the closing cash balance of August. This will become opening cash balance for next month, September. That's it. So this is the end of problem number 4. Now, last and final problem. Problem number 5. Prepare cash budget from the following information for the month of October, November, December. Again 3 months. But the data is given from July, August, September, October, November, December. 6 months data is given. But we need to make the budget only for 3 months. Sales are given. Purchases, wages, expenses. Additional information. 10% of purchases and 20% of sales are for cash. That means 10% purchases are cash, 90% purchases are credit purchases. Similarly, 20% of sales are cash sales, remaining 80% of sales are credit sales. First we have to bifurcate, and then average collection period is half month. That means we are allowing only half month credit period to customers. जितना अमाउंट सेल करेंगे उसका आधा अमाउंट नेक्स्ट मंथ में कलेक्ट करेंगे. Example, 50,000 credit sales are made in January. So half of 50,000, 25,000 will be collected in January itself. Remaining 25,000 will be collected in February. That is the procedure. And credit purchases are paid in the following month. The credit purchases are paid in the next month, completely next month. Wages are paid half a monthly. That means half of the wages are paid in the same month, remaining half will be paid in the next month. And rent rupees 250 included in expenses is paid monthly. Expenses are given there. In that expenses, rent is included. How much rent? 250. That is to be paid monthly. Every month 250 rupees. Now, and lag in payment of other expenses 1 month. So after deducting rent, like 2,500 total expenses minus 250. 2,500 minus 250 is 2,250. This 2,250 will be paid in the next month. The cash balance may be assumed to be 7,500 on 1st October. Beginning of the period, our cash balance 7,500. That's all. Now, carefully see here. Cash balance for 3 months ending 31st December, October, November, December. Opening cash balance 7,500. This opening cash balance is given in the problem. Now, the main difficulty is regarding the collection from customers and payment to supplier. That is more difficult. So, in working note, I have explained you clearly how to find out the collection from customers. Cash sales. These two items from working note number 2. You can see working note number 2, collection from debtors. 6 columns I have opened: July, August, September, October, November, December, whatever is given in the problem. Total sales given in the problem. Total sales 40,000, 40,000, 37,500. Total sales I have taken. Now I will bifurcate. 20% cash sales. So cash sales are 20%. 40,000 into 20%, you will get 8,000. 40,000 into 80%, you will get 32,000. So out of 40,000, 8,000 are cash sales and 32,000 are credit sales. Similarly, here also August, 40,000, 8,000, 32,000. 37,500 into 20%, you will get 7,500. 37,500 into 80%, you will get 30,000. Like that, we have bifurcated. Now, we need the cash sales only for 3 months: October, November, December. How much are the cash sales for October? 9,000, 8,500, 8,000. These 3 amount we require. So here, cash sales 9,000, 8,500 and 8,000. That's all. Now, collection from customers. Half amount is in the same month. जितना क्रेडिट सेल कर रहे हैं उसका आधा अमाउंट सेम मंथ. तो 32,000 का हाफ 16,000, 32,000 हाफ 16,000, 30,000 हाफ 15,000, 36 हाफ 18, 34 हाफ 17,000, 32 हाफ 16. तो पहले half of the amount is collected in the same month, remaining half in the next month, half amount in the next month. So here 32,000, out of 32,000, 16,000 recovered in the same month, remaining 16,000 will be recovered in the next month. तो यहाँ पर ये 32,000 का half same month, remaining 32,000 का half next month. Similarly 32,000 half same month, remaining 32,000 का half next month. 50,000 half same month, 15,000, remaining 15,000 in the next month. 36,000 half 18,000 in the same month, remaining 18,000 in the next month. 34,000 half 17,000 same month, remaining 17,000 next month. That's all. Now you add up 16,000. 16 plus 16, 32. 15 plus 16, 31,000. 18 plus 15, 33. 17 plus 18, 35. 16 plus 17, 33. We got the collection from customers, but we need only for 3 months: October, November and December. So see here, October, the collections are 33,000. So collection I have taken 33,000. Next, 35, 33, 35,000, 33,000. Over. Collections from customers finished. Now we can easily find out the total. Now cash purchases. Purchases में rule same है. 10% of purchases are cash purchase. So in this working note number 1, payments to creditors for purchases. So same July to December, total purchases are given in the problem: 22,500, 20,000. Now 10% are cash purchases. So we divide 10% cash purchase, 90% credit purchase. So 22,500 into 10%, 2,250. 22,500 into 90%, 20,250. Similarly, 20,000, 10%, 2,000. 20,000, 90%, 18,000. I have bifurcated the total purchase into cash purchase and credit purchase. Now, payments to creditors. Here it is given, and credit purchases are paid in the following month. Directly given. Whatever credit purchase are there, that amount will be paid in the following month, next month. So how much of the credit purchase of July? 20,250. This will be paid in August, right? August 18,000 will be paid in September. September 18,900 will be paid in October. October 22,500 will be paid in November. November 20,250 will be paid in December. That is the payment. Now we need only October, November, December. So October it is 18,900. So here you can see, first we'll take the cash purchase. Cash purchase are 2,500. Then 2,250, 1,750. These 3 are the cash purchase. Now payment to creditors 18,900. Then 22,500, 20,250. This is the main difficulty. Students will commit the mistake in making these calculations only. So watch this video 2-3 times, definitely you can get the point. How to calculate the payment made to creditors and amount collected from the customers. These two calculations. Next amount is wages. It is given in the problem. Wages are paid half a month. That means half wages are paid in the same month. Remaining half wages will be paid in the next month. Half month delay. So here payment of wages. So total wages are given in the problem 10, 9, 11. So 10,000, 9,000, 11,000. Now payments. Half of the wages are paid in the same month. So 10,000 ka half 5,000. 9,000 half 4,500. 11,000 half 5,500. Half in the same month. Remaining half in the next month. So 10,000 में से 5,000 are paid in the same month. Remaining 5,000 in the next month. Half in the next month. 9,000 का half 4,500 paid in the same month. Remaining 4,500 in the next month. September 11,000 half 5,500 paid in the same month. Remaining 5,500 in the next month. Like that it goes on. But we need the payment only for October, November and December. How much of the October? 11,500. So 11,500. After 11,500, 11,000, 9,500. Over. Then rent of 250 included in expenses is paid monthly. Expenses includes rent, and that rent 250 monthly same. So here rent I have taken 250, 250, 250. Now, and lag in payment of other expenses 1 month. Other expenses. Here 2,500 में rent मिला हुआ है. We subtract the rent. Here you can see other expenses July, August. 2,500, 3,000, every month we have deducted rent. Rent is included in expenses, so we remove the rent. So remaining amount 2,250. These amounts are paid in the next month, 1 month delay. So how much is the July amount? 2,250. This will be paid in August. Then August 2,750 will be paid in September. Then September 2,750 will be paid in October. Then October 3,250 will be paid in November. Then November 2,750 will be paid in December. 1 month delay. So what is the amount in October, November, December? 2,750 in October. So October 2,750. November 3,250. December 2,750. That's all. Now simply we have to find out the total. Here October total is 49,500 and the total of payment are 35,900. So 49,500 minus 35,900, you will get 13,600. This 13,600 is the closing cash balance of October. And this closing cash balance will become opening cash balance for November. Take again the total of November 57,100. Total of payment 39,250. So 57,100 minus 39,250, 17,850 is the closing cash balance of November. This will become opening cash balance 17,850. Now take the total 58,850. Total payment 34,500. 58,850 minus 34,500, you get 24,350. That's all. So this is the end of problem number 5. Totally 5 problems I have explained you on preparing the cash budget. If you concentrate fully, definitely you can easily understand how easy it is to make the cash budget. So this marks the end of chapter number 5. The next chapter is chapter number 6, in which account receivable, trade receivable and inventory. These 2 topics we have to do. That marks the end of all the topics of financial management BBA. So if you are satisfied, give a like to the video, share my channel, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and comment from which university, to which university you belong, from which country you are watching the video. I'll get the motivation that my channel is being watched in so many countries. And apart from that, I have started the membership club. In this membership club, I am uploading different types of videos which are not related to academics and which are related to the current trends and also some personal observations. So all these things I am uploading in my membership club. So become a member of my channel and definitely you can gain a lot of knowledge from different videos. So inshallah we'll take up the next chapter in the next video.